Welcome, today I'm sharing with me Google Pixel 6a and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration section. Then you'll see here ringtone notification volume panel. Just to change your device ringtone volume, hold and swipe to the left or to the right side with your finger this dot. Also, you can make it by the second where just press up or down volume button here on the right side of your phone, then click here to these three dots, and by the same way hold and swipe to the left or to the right side with your finger this dot on the volume panel, and then just tap here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.